Hello and welcome to Tip of the Week number 168. Today we're going to talk about reinforcement in Impact Revit and more specifically how to insert bar marks from barmark list. It's a functionality that we released back in May this year, and if you haven't seen it before, take a look now in the next couple of minutes because it might be that it makes your life as a impact design and Revit way easier. So I'm going to try to draw this bar mark um, with the help of the impact tool called Insert Bar Mark now. And for this reason, I'm going to go into Revit. So here I have a precast element draw with impact and I'm going to go to the reinforcement tab where we have some functionalities connected with the bar marks. Bar marks are basically stirrups, reinforcement bars that you give a name, and with the help of the name, you're going to go and save them in the database. You usually save your bar marks with the help of the impact tools that you see in here, and you can save them on the three levels. And basically, behind each name of the bar mark, you're going to see a shape code, you're going to see a quality, parameters about measurements, and so on. All this information is behind the name. And once we save the element, we save the bar mark, and we save it in the database. So let's try to insert this C shape and see how it works. We're going to save the project later. I'm going to go on a 3D view where I can see the rebars. This one is going to work. I'm going to insert it here on the top. So if you go to Insert Bar Mark, which is the new functionality that you have, you see that a new um, possibilities for insertion has come in here on the top, where first of all you can select the level from which you're going to insert. In my case it's from project, but you can easily take a bar mark from local or a common level. And here's the following menu. It was this one I want to insert. You have a possibility to select how to insert it, if it's from start, end, or center point, and there is a cover offset from um, the reference plane here that you can set up. I'm just going to leave it to 20. So when you say insert in here, you can now you can be guided by Impact Revit of what you need to do next. As a user, if you look down here, it says please select a face, a reference plane where you want to insert it from. And if I select this one, then I can press on the face and my bar mark is going to be inserted. And if you're not really happy with the way it works, then the functionality is not terminated, it continues working, so you can actually go and insert more if you want. But the thing is that it's not terminated until you press an escape, and here it is, we have the tools. And this one, obviously, it's outside my host, so I'm going to delete it. But here I have the one bar mark that I inserted is basically um, a C shape reinforcement. And take a look now into this parameter impact bar mark of this reinforcement bar. It's automatically filled in with the name of the bar mark. That's why this functionality, it's so genius for you that work with Impact Revit. It's because automatically it's filled in, and once you save the element, this reinforcement goes into the database automatically with the name of this bar mark. Okay, another thing I wanted to pay attention here is that we've inserted it with the 20 millimeters of cover that we've set up in the insertion options. And this barmark is functioning as a normal reinforcement in Revit, right? You can go move it, but it's always going to be inserted at single. If you want to uh, change the setting, you are totally free to do it. You just go and say, let's say maximum spacing, and Revit is just going to distribute along the surface here of the element. You can go and edit the spacing here if you want, or yeah, take the group and move it up and down. It's up to you. It's basically functioning as a Revit reinforcement, but with a little bit of help of impact, you get the impact bar mark parameter automatically filled in, and it goes directly into the database. So insert bar mark, a very, very good functionality for you that have a barmark library here in your impact already installed. Go and try it. And if you have any questions, you know the channels where you can contact us. You're more than welcome to come back to us. I hope this information was useful to you. I wish you a nice day and see you next time.